Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering the exact network name and password. Accuracy matters because spaces or wrong case break the connection. Next, pick a QR generator that explicitly supports Wi-Fi QR syntax. Enter T for security, S for SSID, and P for password. Once done, generate the code at high resolution so scanners read it easily. Make sure to preview the encoded string if it looks off. Correct the SSID or security type before printing or sharing. Now prepare the physical or digital copy. Export a high-resolution image, ideally SVG or 300 dpi PNG, so cameras can decode it quickly. Poor resolution causes connection failures. Once printed or displayed, position the code where devices get a strong signal and avoid reflective surfaces that confuse scanners. When sharing digitally, restrict recipients or use ephemeral codes. That minimizes abuse. If you manage guest access, rotate the password periodically and regenerate the QR to keep access controlled. Finish by guiding the user to scan and accept the network prompt. Most modern phones let you open the camera, point at the QR, then tap the Wi-Fi notification to join, do that, and verify internet access. If auto-join fails, open the QR image text to copy the SSID and password and enter them manually. This reveals encoding errors. If problems persist, check router features like hidden SSID, MAC filtering, or captive portal requirements. Disable or adjust those, then regenerate and retest the QR.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.